Welcome back as we look at Google Calendar. Now, I like to always add any items that I am going to be doing for my faculty or my staff onto a calendar. Oftentimes people will ask, when are we having that meeting? What's the date? When's the next faculty meeting? Well, by simply placing it in the calendar on Google, everyone that you share with will have access. So let's go ahead and enter something for June 8th, and we're going to call this Faculty Meeting. Now I'm going to edit the event because I want to put some more specific details. I'm going to find a time. We're going to do this at 7 o'clock in the morning. That way everybody will love that I have done this. And then I want to repeat this because I'm going to have faculty meetings every 2 weeks. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that for, let's just say 20 occurrences for now. I could also choose a date that I wanted it to end. Now I click Done. And I'm now ready to modify the event by adding a little bit more information. So I'm going to go over here to Event Details. And now I can actually put in a description and say mandatory faculty meeting in the conference room. And I can choose to add a color if I want it to be a certain color. I can also add a notification so that every 20 minutes before, faculty will get an email, for example. All right, now here's where you can share this. Once you start to build in your address book, all of these email addresses will already be there. But for now, let's go ahead and begin to type in addresses of who I'm going to share with. And we'll just go ahead and add some different people. And you'll just doing that and keep clicking add. Now, you can choose whether they can invite others or they can see the guest list or even modify the event. All right, so now that we have that done, we have one more area I want to show you, which is this ability to add an attachment. And this is where it really comes in handy when one of your staff members or faculty members is going to be unable to attend your meeting, or you simply would like them to look at the agenda ahead of time. Perhaps you want them to come prepared by reading an article, for example. So you click Add Attachment. And now, remember in the earlier lesson, we included that worksheet into our Google Drive. So any of the information that you've put into Google Drive, you can attach right here. You can also go up and upload your agenda. But let's go ahead and select that worksheet, and now it's going to be there. You'll always want to choose Save, and then you'll see that we'll have a reoccurring event of faculty meeting every week. And when I go here, I can decide whether I'm going. Of course I'm going to be because it's my meeting, but your faculty will also have that chance, and you'll be able to see who can and cannot attend. They can also go in, and because you've shared this, they can choose Edit, and they can look at the worksheet that you've chosen to go with your document. And it's as simple as that to create a calendar event.